Hi there, Tom here from CoverRight.com, the simplest way to navigate Medicare. Today we're going to talk about Medigap plans, and in particular we're going to talk about which Medigap plans are most popular for Medicare beneficiaries. In order to enroll in a Medigap policy, you must pay a monthly premium. This premium is in addition to the Medicare Part B premium that you also must pay. And for most people, that is $148.50 in 2021, but it can increase for people on a higher income. So purchasing a Medigap plan is effectively shifting the burden for that extra 20% that you would typically pay under original Medicare from yourself having to pay that to a private insurance company covering that for you in return for your payment of a monthly premium to that company. In 2021, there are 10 standardized types of Medigap plans available. They are plans A, B, C, and D, as well as F, G, K, L, M, and N. Each of the 10 different Medigap plan types offer a different level of coverage, which is standardized for each plan type and determined and regulated by the federal government. What this means is a Plan G offered by one insurance company must have exactly the same features and benefits as a Plan G offered by a different insurance company. The only difference between those two insurance policies from the two different insurance companies is the monthly premium that you need to pay for that coverage. The features and benefits offered by each of the 10 different Medigap types of plans can really be categorized according to their overall level of coverage. Plans A and B really only offer basic core benefits. So this includes coverage for Part A costs, so hospital co-payments and co-insurance costs, and also costs for Part B, which are medical costs, so costs to see a doctor and the co-payments and co-insurances to seek other healthcare services. The next series of plans, plans C, D, F, and G, the most comprehensive types of plans. So in addition to those basic core benefits covered by plans A and B, plans C, D, F, and G also offer additional coverage, including coverage for the Part A and Part B deductible, as well as excess coverage charges, as well as for some plans, coverage for foreign travel emergencies. Plans K, L, M, and N all offer some type of co-share or co-payment that you would pay alongside the insurance company for different costs that you would incur from seeking healthcare services. You can find out more about the different features and benefits of each of the Medigap plans by visiting our website at CoverRight.com. Now let's talk a little bit more about which Medigap plan is actually the most popular for Medicare beneficiaries who choose a Medigap plan to enroll in. Plan F did offer the most comprehensive coverage, covering basically all out-of-pocket costs, including the Part B deductible under original Medicare. However, starting on the 1st of January 2020, the federal government mandated that Medigap plans could no longer cover that Part B deductible of $203. And so therefore Medigap Plan F is no longer being sold. If you were eligible for Medicare before the 1st of January 2020, you can still enroll in a Medigap Plan F. However, if you become eligible for Medicare after the 1st of January 2020, then you can no longer enroll in a Medigap Plan F. What's likely to happen now that Medigap Plan F is no longer available is that the next most comprehensive plan, which is Medicare Plan G, will become the most popular overall plan. And historically, Medicare Plan G has been the second most popular plan. Medicare Plan G offers the same coverage as Medicare Plan F, except it doesn't cover the Part B deductible. So under a Medicare Plan G, you still need to pay that first $203 when you seek healthcare services. Plan N has also been a historically popular plan. Plan N offers a similar level of coverage to Plan G, but under a Medigap Plan N, you still need to pay some copays for visits to see a doctor or a specialist, or if you need emergency care. To sum it all up, Medigap plans remain a popular option overall for people on original Medicare who want a plan that they can pay a monthly premium for to fill in those gaps for copays and out-of-pocket costs left by original Medicare. Now that Plan F is no longer available to those newly eligible for Medicare, it's likely that Plan G will become the most popular Medigap plan overall. Thanks very much for watching this session on which Medigap plan is most popular. We hope you found it helpful, and once again, you can see more and read more on our Medicare blog at CoverRight.com. So please check that out, and as always, you can contact us if you have any further questions. Our contact details are posted below the video. We look forward to seeing you again next week.